Good evening. A ladder rests against a wall. The ladder is 5 meters, and the foot of the ladder is 2 meters from the base of the wall. Okay, so you got to be able to draw these things. So we're going to do ground, wall, they made at a 90-degree angle. Ladder is always the hypotenuse. The ladder is 5 meters in this case, and it's 2 meters from the base of the wall. How high up the wall does the ladder reach? Okay, so the first thing, x, we're going to solve. X squared equals 5 squared minus 2 squared. So it's just Pythagorean theorem. I've got two sides of a right angle triangle. I'm doing subtraction because I want a smaller side than 5. So I get 21, and I take the root of that answer. So x equals 4.6. Therefore, ladder reaches 4.6 meters up the wall. B. What is the angle between the ladder and the wall? Okay, well, where is the ladder and the wall? That is right there. So this is the theta that we are going to solve. From that angle, I label with OH and A. So this is sine. So the sine of theta is equal to 2 over 5. Do the inverse sine of 2 over 5. And I get 23.6. So theta equals 23.6 degrees. Therefore, ladder meets wall at 23.6 degrees. C, what is the angle between the ladder and the ground? Well, that one's just 90 minus that last answer I had. So 66.4 degrees. Therefore, ladder meets ground at 66.4 degrees. Cool. Done. Make sure you do your ladder questions. Next one. Sam looks up at a cliff at an angle of elevation of 35 degrees. There should be a degree symbol in there. If he is 30 meters from the base of the cliff, how high is the cliff? Ignore Sam's height or assume he is lying on the ground. Okay, so that just means that I have to draw a triangle here. I don't have to draw his height down here, so we're assuming he's not standing up. We're assuming he's lying down. So negligible height. Angle of elevation is 35 degrees. Angle of elevation always goes at the bottom. It always goes from the horizontal. He's 30 meters, so 30 goes there. How high is the cliff? X goes there. Label OHA. We're going to use tan of 35 degrees equals x over 30. Multiply that up, and x equals 30 times tan 35. X equals 21. Therefore, cliff is 21 meters. Great sentence. That's your therefore statement. From the corner of a rectangular room that is, well, let's try that again. From the corner of a rectangular room that is 8 by 3. Okay, so you got 8 and you got 3. What is the angle to the far corner of the room? Okay, so what I'm guessing that means is that from one corner to the far corner, what is the angle? Well, I'm going to solve for this angle. See that triangle right there, right angle triangle? But technically it could be that angle, so I guess I'll solve this one first, and then the other one, because it's in a corner, it's just going to be 90 minus that. Well, label O-H-A. Remember that whenever you've got a rectangle, you cut the diagonal, you always get a right angle triangle, so that's why this rectangle turns into a triangle question. Tan of theta equals 3 over 8. So theta equals the tan inverse of 3 over 8. So I got 20.55. So theta equals, I'm going to round that to the nearest degree, 21 degrees. Or, in this case, I could be looking for that other one. So I guess I won't write or, because it's not the same answer. This could be 21 degrees. And then 90 minus the answer that I got is 69.4. So this could be 69 degrees, depending on which wall you start at. Therefore, the angle
Ms. Westcott, can you contact
is
extension 224, please, Ms. Westcott?
21 degrees or 69 degrees from the other wall. So it sort of depends. If you're starting from this wall looking at the angle, it's 21. If you start from this wall looking at the angle, it's 69 degrees. Done.